Ingredients. For the purest crispy shells, 2 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup semolina, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup ghee or oil, water as needed. For the filling, 1 cup boiled and mashed chickpeas, 1 cup boiled and diced potatoes, half a cup yogurt, 1/4 cup tamarind chutney, 1/4 cup green chutney, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon chaat masala, salt to taste, chopped cilantro for garnish. For the pani spicy water, 1 cup water, half a cup tamarind juice, 1/4 cup lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, salt to taste, ice cubes. Instructions. Make the purist mix: flour, semolina, salt, and baking powder. Add ghee/oil and water to form a dough. Roll out thin circles and fry until crispy. Rest for 30 minutes. Prepare the filling mix: chickpeas, potatoes, yogurt, tamarind chutney, green chutney, cumin powder, chaat masala, and salt. Make the pani. Mix water, tamarind juice, lime juice, cumin powder, chaat masala, and salt. Chill with ice cubes. Assemble: fill purist with the filling, then dip in pani. Tips. Adjust chutney and spice levels to taste. Use a Gol Gappy maker or a mold to shape purists. Serve immediately to enjoy the crispy purists and flavorful filling. Here are the approximate calories in a pani puri. Per pani puri 1 piece. Calories 60 to 70. Fat 2 to 3 g. Carbs 8 to 10 g. Per serving 6 to 8 pieces. Calories 360 to 560. Fat 12 to 24 g. 48 to 80 g.